Well, hello YouTube friends, this is Jim from Texas, and I thought I'd do a quick video to document day 150 of my Medifast weight loss plan. I started Medifast on January 16th, 2013. At that time I weighed about 254. This morning I weighed 186.5. This is day 150 of the program. I achieved really one of the giant goals that I had. I've mentioned this before, but just to close the circle, I'm a private pilot. I have to take a medical every 2 years. The medical I took in May of 2011, I weighed 270 pounds. I took a medical on June 6, 2013, last week, and I weighed, according to the doctor, 190 pounds. I kind of wanted to quibble because I thought it was a pound or two less, but that's a nice around 80-pound loss over 2 years, most of which occurred in 2013. So Medifast has been terrifically successful for me. This is going to be my last month on the formal program, and in fact, I'm kind of deviating from it a little bit. I had to travel to Peoria for reasons that are beyond the scope of this video to finish my physical, because the FAA got a little cranky with me about CPAP and about a minor motorcycle accident I'd had. So I had to jump through a few extra hoops, but it proved that I got a really healthy heart. I did treadmill, 24-hour EKG, video of my heart. I had to do double backflips. No, not really. But anyway, they took a good look at my heart because they wanted to make sure I hadn't had a heart attack, and I hadn't. So that's good. It's good to not have heart attacks. Well, I was off the plan slightly during the trip last week. I've decided after 6 months of not eating with my friends at work, our company is small. Normally a large group of us go to lunch a couple of times a week, and I've been sitting those out. So I started going to them a little bit. I went yesterday. They went to a pizza place, and I was so tempted to order a pizza. They had had one since January. Instead, they had a Greek salad that turned out to be really good. In fact, they even made grilled chicken for me to put on it. So it was actually, except maybe because they put Greek cheese on it, it was a little more than a traditional Medifast lean and green, but I still lost a little bit of weight yesterday, so I don't think it hurt me. I'm going to pretty much stick to the plan during the week, but I am going to start eating more, try to step my calorie count up a little bit, and start officially transitioning, according to the book, here in another week or two. This is my last week to have the big $300 automatic order. Last month, my automatic orders renew on about the 24th of the month, I think, so I will cut it way down, start substituting some Slim Fast and Atkins bars as foods for some of the expensive Medifast foods. Try to gradually ramp my calories up from around 1,000 a day to around 1,500. I am exercising so much more. That's a big change, and it really hit just in the last month. I've just got this ridiculous desire to exercise that I've never in my life had before. Even when I was in the military for 20 years, I had to exercise a lot to keep my job, but I didn't have to like it. So now I'm kind of liking it. I got this new bicycle. I put another video up about that. Been having fun riding that. It's nice having a good bicycle instead of a piece of crap like I had before. And I'm doing a lot of walking. It's getting kind of warm here, so I don't use my NordicTrack as much. Instead, I use, because it's warm now, I mostly use my bike, or go out and just walk for a couple of miles. But I feel like if I don't get some exercise at least every other day, then I really start to get antsy, and it's weird. I've never felt that way before. I don't have to force myself now. I have to kind of force myself almost not to, because I just don't have time because I got other stuff to do. So anyway, Medifast has been really good for me. Again, I've only been on it 6 months, and really day 360, day 420 or so will be the real telling story. But so far it's going good for me. I hope it keeps it up. Anybody has any questions about how the Medifast works, that's fine. I'm not going to be a health coach because I honestly feel like I know so little about medicine and the human body that I could never do that. But I can tell you about my experience if you're more interested. So anyway, this is Jim on day 150 of the Medifast, and it's not a diet, it's a weight loss program. So go out, drink some water, get some exercise, take good care of yourself, whatever your fitness goals might be. And best of all, enjoy life, because it doesn't last as long as we'd like. This is Jim in Texas. Thank you for watching. Okay, I think that's a take on the first try. One little bobble, but I'm not going to let that bother me.